Okay, dear students, in this video we are going to perform the testing for protective devices like fuse and MCB, single pole MCBs, and then for single phase RCD also we are going to do the testing. First, let us see the fuse. So this is a fuse box, a single phase a fuse box, and where you can see this is a fuse. Okay, so HRC fuse, it is a 6 ampere rated fuse. So if you want to test the fuse, you can just test between these two terminals like this. If the fuse is in good condition, it will show 0 ohms or 0.1 or 0.2. A small value of resistance will be shown here. So if you want to check without removing it, you can just put it here and close it. You can see here one terminal in the top, and then the other side also we have one more terminal. So you can just put that multimeter probes here, and then you can test the device. Okay, still it is a 0.2 ohms. That means the switch is the fuse is working properly, and it is housed inside very well neatly. Okay, so this is for the fuse box, and then we have the another protective device MCB. It is a single phase MCB, and also it is a single pole MCB, plug-in type. You can see there is a two terminals here. So here one terminal, and the another terminal is here. This terminal is used for plugging this MCB in the distribution box. That's why we call this as a plug-in type MCBs. So the rating of this MCB is 15 ampere. The load current can go up to 15 ampere safely in this. So how to test this? It is very simple. So we need to connect between the two terminals. Here I have one terminal, and one more terminal is here. Let me put this switch or the MCB in off condition and check the resistance between these two terminals. As like a SPST switch, it will have open loop when the switch is in off condition or the MCB is in off condition. And switch on this, and let us see the resistance. You get 0 or approximately very small value of resistance you can see in the on condition. So you can see it is 0.1 ohms resistance. And later we can see the RCD, so which is a single phase RCD here. Okay, so this single phase RCD is having four terminals, two for line and two for neutral. So these will be acting as a line input, and this will be acting as a line output, neutral input and neutral output. So here we have this operating switch here. So let me put it in off condition and check the switch conditions now. So let me connect it between line input and line output, and since the switch is in off condition, I get a open loop there. And let me switch on this. I switched on this, and see the resistance. It is very small, R0 ohms resistance, and that means that this pole is in good condition. So similarly, I can check between neutral in and neutral out. So here it is again, the RCD is in off condition. So here the resistance is open loop or very high, and switch on this and measure between line neutral in and neutral output. So now you can see it is a 0 ohms. So that means these RCD switches are in good condition. So the RCD itself, we need to test some other test for trip time and trip current, all those things. So we are just checking the terminals whether the switch is making and opening the circuit properly. Okay, so this is not the full test for this RCD. It is only testing the terminals for on and off condition. Okay, for checking the trip current and the trip time of this RCD, we have to use installation tester, and we have to perform separately. Okay, thank you.